Today we are at the Stone Forest near Varna. Stone Forest, Petrified Forest. That's one of the names of this place. The other name in Bulgarian is Pobiti Kamani. Pobiti Kamani in the meaning of hammered stones. So this is the only desert, natural desert in Eastern Europe. And in Europe there is actually one more in Spain. So there are two, one in Spain and one in Bulgaria. And now you're seeing one of them. Desert is like a proper desert. Look at the sand. It's like a limestone sand, like some tropical beach. Well, some of the stone pillars you see, it's like 5-6 meters high. Look at those. So it looks like a stone forest, really, like a forest made of stone. Look at these stones, and these ones too. So this is only 18 kilometers away from Varna. It's a good spot to visit for one day. I believe it's like more than 50 square kilometers, the whole area. So this is limestone, as you see. There's several theories about how this place was formed. One of them is that 50 million years ago, yeah, this place is 50 million years old. Can you imagine? So 50 million years ago, this was a bottom of an ocean. So when the water went dry, and then the erosion formed all these columns. There is another theory that there was a forest, then the ocean came and turned the forest into stone, and then again dried out, and that's what we got now, stone forest. Maybe that's where the name comes from. And of course there is a theory that this place is actually organic, that maybe all these columns we're seeing are coral. But the most logical theory is that, as I mentioned already, this was a bottom of an ocean, then it dried out, and then these big stones just were shaped by the wind and by the rain in this shape. It is also funny that the inside of those columns is actually hollow. Here, look, they're like 5 to 6 meters. Here you can see it's hollow. Okay, too big. More on my left, and here, look at this huge column. Look, it's really big. Yeah, very impressive place in the middle of nowhere, basically. Around the place, as you see, it's just forest. So that's like a strip of sand in the middle, a desert, natural desert. Amazing place, and it's worth visiting. Here, one last shot.